Okay, good day everyone. Today we are going to look into how to create the variable products. Previously, if you have not watched the first video, please go through it because that will teach you on how to generate or not to use the prompt to generate the product description and everything you need to input, and then on how to create a simple product. What we are just going to add here is the one for variable products. So variable products, earlier, is a product that has variants. When a product has multiple colors, multiple ROMs or RAMs, or anything that can differentiate, does the same product but different variants, then we need to use this. The only thing you're okay to add to this video is how to create the variations. So first and foremost, when you want to create a variable product, make sure on your mobile phone, make sure that you select on this variable product option. So you click on it, and then you see that there's a new option here which is add variations. So if you click on this add variations, click on it, you see that you can add attributes. So it says that to create a variation you need to set the attributes, and you can see the description is clear, which is the color or the size. For example, if the phone that I want to sell, for example, it has multiple colors, then my attribute is going to be color. If it has different RAM or memory, then my attribute is going to be memory. So for this one, let's say it has multiple RAMs. You can create it here though. I created one, so I can click on this. If you have created some from your laptop, they are going to show up here. So it's just for you to select it. If you have created a general one, they are going to show up here, which is better. So I will click on ROM, memory. So there are options that when you create an attribute, you also add options to it. So these are the available options, and you can also create options. But I will always advise that you do the general creation of the variant, the attributes. You do them in your PC, on your PC, and when you come to the mobile phone, you just have to be selecting. Else, you are going to be repeating this task for all the products you are going to be creating. Very good. So now let's say that this phone has 256 gig RAM and 128 gig RAM. Since I finished selecting all the options I want, I will create next. I will select on next. So next here is showing us all what I've selected. If you click on next, then it's going to add it to the product. So if there was something I missed before, I can click on add attribute, go back again and add it. But since everything is cool and fine, I'm going to click on next, and here I can generate variations. So if there are multiple attributes, for example, maybe there was color and ROM, so it's going to multiply the number of colors by the number of ROMs. So there will be, if there was blue and red color, it's going to be red 128 gig RAM, red 256 gig RAM, blue 128 gig RAM, blue 256 gig RAM. So it's going to generate them like that, so that all the available variations will be created. That's why you should make sure that before you get to this step, you have already selected all the attributes, so you don't have to create anything manually. So I'll click on generate variations. So do I want to add new variation or generate all the variations? I'll generate them because that's faster. So yeah, so it's done. It has created two variations because there are only a single attribute with two options I created. If there were two attributes with two options each, that's going to be 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 2, 8 variations we are going to be having. Okay, so this, it is generating the variations, and once it's finished generating, then we can set. Okay, so here now you now have the variations. Look at them here, variation attributes. So when you come here, click on the ROM. Oh, sorry, not this. You have them here. When you click on that, so you can set the price for each of these variations. You can set the price. You can even set additional description for that color and ROM. You can set additional descriptions, and for the attributes also, the price, that's the most important thing here. You can also set the specific price for all these products. You can also add shipping if this has its own shipping, and you can enable or disable it. Maybe it has gone off the market, you can simply disable it from this this box here. But anyone that you do not add a price will not be shown on the storefront. Will not be shown on the storefront. So that's basically how to create variation. That's the additional thing you have in variations or variable products. So just to create the variations, you add them. You add the specific description for the variations, and then you add the ROM. The price for each specific options you have created. Thank you.